Here too, Euro currency future strategies, Cobra Euro, as well as the forex trading secrets chapter number 5. And the Cobra Euro here on the left is a counter trend strategy. You can see today it's got a nice entry, or it looks like a nice entry so far at 141.43. Market went down. It's kind of made a bottom looking pattern so far. This thing could roll over and continue its trend. And we've got forex trading secrets number 5. It's a day trade strategy. Both of these are day trade strategies. And this one is in my book. It got short at 141.69. So you've also, let me show you where you can find this book if you want it, but because the code for this is fully disclosed in my book in chapter 5. And you can get the book on Amazon. You can go to my website, capstonetradingsystems.com, and you can get the book right here. You see in this right sidebar, scrolling through all my books, you can purchase this book if you want online, or you can go directly to Amazon or Barnes & Noble Nook or Lulu.com, and you can find it in any of those locations. It's got the code for this one fully disclosed. It's a day trade strategy that's trend following, and it's done really, really well the last couple of months since I released the book. Here is the performance summary for the last couple of years. You can see starting in September 2010, it's really taken off. We released the book in, let me see, right around, finished the research for this book in this time frame, and since then it's gone from 16.9, 12.50 up to 30,000. So it's just really done well, better than I expected. As a day trade strategy, and you can see the total performance again here. Take a look at Cobra Euro. This is over the past year, huge average profit per trade. I took this strategy straight from the stock indexes. I have a strategy called Cobra for the E-mini Russell, and I applied this strategy directly to the euro currency, and the back test over the last 18 months did really well. And so the last 18 months, the market, euro currency market has been more counter trending than trending for a lot of strategies. So this strategy here is the equity curve. We recently mentioned this in this time frame and had a drawdown, but as you can see, this drawdown is kind of in the it's in a trend line here, kind of a trend line. So yesterday it had a really good trade. Last 2 days it's had a really good trade. Take a look at some of those trades here. Short trade, long trade. We're long today. If you sum up these two results, you can trade multiple systems for one market in the same account. You are long at 141.43 if you're trading Cobra Euro. If you're also trading this system, you are short at 141.69. So your net position would be flat. Your total point differential would be 26 points. So you'd be up 26 points on this, and you would stay flat. You could turn automation off at this point if you wanted, and be up for 23 points. And one thing that you would have to think about is this strategy has a $600 stop loss. This strategy has a $600 stop loss, and this strategy has a $510 stop loss. And so this strategy would stay flat until the end of the day. And so you would be getting out of this strategy at the end of the day. Both of these, you'd have another buy signal and another sell signal, which you would also get slippage and commission on. And so to prevent that, you could just turn automation off on both of these if you were to trade both of these strategies, or anytime you have a strategy where one is long and one is short, you can limit the effects of slippage and commission by turning them both off. And so you don't know what this is going to do for the rest of the day, but you would stay flat in this unless Cobra Euro went down 40 points or 41 points and got stopped out. So it says 510, but it's really 512.50 because each point in the euro currency is 12.5 points. So if you have a stop loss, say like 510, you're going to get 512.50 is going to be your stop loss point. And so this strategy here, FXTS, chapter number 5, is a $600 stop loss. So it would have to go up 48 points from there. So 141.69. 48 points, it would be 142.17. And so as long as this market stays between 142.17 and 40 points lower than that, 141.03, 141.02, then you would neither of these strategies would you would not have another position in the euro currency market. If these are the only two strategies you were trading, you would not have another position unless Cobra Euro got stopped out, and then you would be net short via the forex trading secret strategy, or if forex trading secrets number 5 got stopped out, and then you'd be net long the Cobra strategy. So as long as it stayed within that range, you would stay flat for the day. And so it's possible that this market could rally to 142.17 or drop down to 141.03. It's a Friday afternoon. A lot of times the market doesn't do a lot on Friday afternoon, and so anything can happen though. And whenever you turn off both of these strategies and turn off automation, you might miss out on a potentially big winner in this scenario. But that is one way to trade it. And wanted to show you these two strategies. So Cobra Euro and Forex Trading Secrets number 5. Cobra Euro is the counter trend strategy. Forex Trading Secrets number 5 is a trend following strategy. And this is how you can trade both of them together.